Hey y'all, today we're going to do Veg-All Casserole. It's a really good side dish for any kind of potluck or Easter dinner that's coming up. Anything like that. It's really quick, really simple. You can have it done in just a few minutes. So let's get started. I've got a can of Veg-All here. It is best to use the name brand, in my opinion. So you can either use 2 of the regular size cans or 1 large. You add that to your bowl. Let me see if I can get all the vegetables out. Our Walmart is just not carrying a variety like they used to before. So I've just been having to kind of get the sizes of things that we need for the recipes, or just regular dinner, and just kind of make it work. So that's what we've been doing. Get you a big bowl to mix all this up in. It's basically a 1 bowl recipe. So I've already got my Veg-All in here. I need to add my chopped onion, and I have frozen, which should still be fine. May make it just a little bit more watery than I want, but it should work. Need a cup of mayonnaise, and you cannot substitute Miracle Whip for this. It's gotta be mayo. Okay. Next thing, a cup of cheese. So let's see. And I used medium cheddar, but you could probably use sharp or anything. And that's it. You just mix it all up. Let me grab a spoon real quick. You just mix it all together. And you do not have to use frozen onions. You can use freshly chopped. It is perfectly fine. Some people put celery in this, but the Veg-All comes with celery, so I don't really see the point in adding extra. But you can do however you want. Okay. Next thing you need to do is grab a baking dish. You're not going to need a real big one. So like an 8x8 is fine. Spray it with some spray. And then take casserole, put it in your pan. Okay. Now I always put Ritz crackers on top. Just as cracker crumbs in the recipe, but Ritz crackers are like really good. So just crumble those on top. And do how you want. If you want tons of crackers, do tons. For our family, 1 sleeve is enough, because this is kind of a small recipe. Just a little small side dish, something different. It's not potatoes, it's not mac and cheese, it's just something different. Okay? And then the recipe calls for a whole stick of butter to go on top. I just don't do a whole stick. I do a half a stick because I don't want it to be too much. But you can do whatever you want. Just make sure that you watch in the oven, because it's gonna burn. So you just need to keep a watch, and make sure before you even start this recipe that you've got your oven preheated 325. Alright. Says bake for 30 minutes at 325. It doesn't say anything about it being covered, but we're going to cover it because, like I said, those cracker crumbs, I don't want them to burn. And what I'll do is the last 10 minutes or so, I'll take it off and let it toast on top. Okay, that's it. Perfect for any kind of dinner that you got going on, whether it's weeknights or not, and I will let you see what this looks like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so Veg-All Casserole, y'all, it smells so good. I'm just gonna say, it's a little bit too watery, but I think it was because of my onions being frozen. But look at that, and it's got cheese in it and everything. Cheese makes everything better. There you go. It's so good.